We are going to read the text using machine, and for this we have the software called GSpeaker. To open GSpeaker, from applications, sound and video, GSpeaker.
Welcome in GSpeaker.
Here, since we have welcome in GSpeaker, we heard that in this place we have to copy the text that we want to hear. So we will delete that and we will copy this text. So after selecting Ctrl C, and now we will paste this in GSpeaker. So here Ctrl V, and now we will play this, and the voice here is male voice, and we will hear. We can change the voice to female, and also we can change the pitch. Here it is given as 91. We will change that to 75. Also we can change the speed. It is 163. We'll change that to 140. Also delay, it is 14. We'll change it to 10. And now we will hear this once again. This software will help the people who have visual problems and are not able to read from the monitor. They find this type of screen reading software as a real blessing. We are going to see how we can change the font style. The style of letters used in a computer is called its font. The various Malayalam fonts are Tilanga, Deshabhimani, Dvidi, Gayatri, Karumbi, Keraliyam, Anjali, Noto Sans Malayalam, Spuruma, Tumbappu, and so on. We will see how we can change the font of the text we have already typed. So for that, we will select the heading first. And after selecting the heading, from format, we will select character. And the tab that we have to select is font. And here we have Western text font, which is for the English language, and below that we have CTL Malayalam, which is for the Malayalam language. And here we will change the size so that it will be clear to you. And the font, here it is given as Mira. We will change the font. As I told you, first we will change the font to Tilanga. And if you want, from here we can change it to bold or italics. And we can change the size also. Like this, we can select any other Malayalam font. We will select Keralium. So this is Keralium. Here we have bold and bold italics. And if you want to give another color from the tab font effects, instead of black we can select any other color. I am selecting red. And if you want to give underline, from here we can select and then OK. So like this we can change to any font and we can do this. We are going to see how we can type the language Hindi, and before that we have to add the Hindi language in our computer, and only after that we will be able to type Hindi in our computer. So for that, from the desktop panel we have to select text entry settings, and from the desktop panel means where you have that EN, you have to click there, and the last option is text entry settings. And from this window we have the input sources, and here we have the two different languages we have already selected, which is English and Malayalam. And if we want to add another language we have to click the plus sign which is given after that. And from here we have to select these three dots which indicates more, and here we have to drag this and we have to come down, and here we have others. We are going to insert Hindi, and for Hindi we have to select Indian. So from here we have to select Indian. We can either drag and select Indian, or we can type here Indian. We are going to search for Indian, so we will type there Indian, and we got that. And now we have to select and we have to select this Indian, and then we have to select add. And now under the source input sources we got English, Malayalam and Indian. And now we will see whether we have this Indian here. So we will click on this EN, and now we have English, Malayalam and Indian, and we are going to type in Hindi. So we will select Indian, and now we will open writer, and just like how you type Malayalam, the same keyboard layout. If we type ka, we have the keyboard layout. If we want the keyboard layout we can see the keyboard layout from here, and what all we typed using the Malayalam keyboard layout we will do the same here also. So first we will change the size. and we will see how we can type. So just like how we type the Malayalam we'll see Shift and D. We will change the size, font size. We will change the font size to 36. Shift and D. And now Shift and E. R. Shift and F. Shift and F is E. Shift and R is Shift and R is E. Shift and G is U. Then Shift and T is U. Plus is Shift and plus is IR. Then Shift and Z is A. So like this you can type the different letters in Hindi, and after trying this you have to type that poem which is given in your text. Here you have the poem. Here you have one poem and you can try this. And with this, our third chapter is over. And thank you.